Welcome. If you've been wondering how to add your university to your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the latest update so you can showcase your education on your profile with ease. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select your name to enter your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. You'll usually find it just below your cover photo or in the menu options. Click on About to continue. Within the About section, there are several categories you can edit. For this tutorial, you'll want to find and select Work and Education. This section is where you can add your professional and academic background. Once you're in the Work and Education area, look for the option that says Add a University. Click on it, and a new form will appear. Here you'll need to fill in your university information. Enter the name of your university, the degree you pursued, your field of study, and the years you attended. You can also add a description or any other details you'd like to share. Take a moment to double-check your information for accuracy. Once you're satisfied with everything, click the Save button at the bottom of the form, and that's it. You've successfully added your university to your Facebook page using your PC. Now anyone who visits your profile can see your educational background front and center. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.